Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the spiral effects similar to what you see on the Wiggles TV Series 3. Now for this tutorial I'm using Final Cut Pro, but really you can use any editing software you like. All you really need is to be able to resize and rotate clips, as well as green screen them obviously. As long as you can do that, you should be fine. Now you can use any footage you want. Here I just have some footage of some guy dancing. So first thing you need to do, obviously, put in the effect that has it, green screen. There's probably an easier way to do this, but this is what I do. What I do is you just duplicate it, right? Then you move it over by one frame. It's kind of like, see, offset it, right? See, kind of like leaving trails. Then want to like resize it to any like degree you want. Yeah, have it up by 10. Keep that number in mind, how much you increase by, because that you're gonna need to remember that. And to rotate it, rotate it by 10 degrees. Yeah, sure. Once again, keep that number in mind, as that's what you're gonna need to increase by every time you add on another one. See, it's kind of like we're getting there, right? So you just add another layer. And you just see it's coming together. Let's add one more. So again, add another layer, move it by one frame, and increase it by whatever increment that you started with. See, it's kind of getting there, right? And from there, you can just kind of keep going until you fill up the entire screen. Depending on what computer you have, this could take a little while. Mine's pretty decent, so it's kind of fast. To get to the end of the footage, see, it just kind of like disappears. Yeah, so you'd want to like cut it before then to like kind of keep everything together. And also, see, it kind of starts off weird like that. So again, you can get rid of the excess footage to have it just be, the desired effect. Yeah, hopefully this helps you out. Yeah, that's it for me. See ya.